Hello and welcome back to English at University, the series that teaches some English phrases to help you through your first year of study abroad. Mary's a new student who's just arrived at the University of Studies. But before her lectures begin, there's an important event she can't miss. So Mary, are you ready for Freshers Week?
What's Freshers Week?
It's where there are lots of events that'll help you get to know other students or freshers. You can make friends and find your way around the campus, and hopefully help you start getting used to living in the UK. It's fun, and it starts right now.
Right, I'd better go.
Hey Mary, over here. I run the Get Fit Society. We go running, go to the gym, check out some of the hunks there. Fancy joining?
Well,
Great! Just sign here and give me £10. Thanks, see you later.
Hey, over here. Come and join our book club.
well,
New recruits like you get a discount. Just, £9.
Mary, stop. We can tell you're the new kid on the block, someone who's just started university. You don't need to join everything. You need to use some polite ways to say you're not interested. Say you're busy, or you haven't got time, or you'll think about it.
well, I'll try. But it's not easy saying no.
Come and have a stab at fencing club.
Fencing? Like sword fighting? Oh, interesting. But I'll have a think about it.
Would you like to join the debating society?
Oh, sorry. I don't think I've got the time.
Oh.
Oh, Daniel. It's nice to see a familiar face.
Yeah, it is. Hi. It's all a bit mad, isn't it? I've already signed up for Get Fit Sock
Sock?
Society. And I've joined the Beer Appreciation Sock Society.
Well, that's not really my cup of tea.
Oh, right. You're thinking of joining book club, aren't you? Boring. Who wants to read more books, eh?
Excuse me, Daniel. Hello again. I love reading, so I think book club sounds great. Sign me up, please.
Yeah. Sign me up too, mate.
Poor Mary. She just can't shake off that idiot Daniel. But she has managed to politely say no to some of the people who wanted her to join their clubs and societies by using these phrases. I'll have a think about it. Sorry, I don't think I've got the time. It's not my cup of tea. And when she found something she liked, she said, "Great! Sign me up, please." You can practice these phrases, pick up a few more, plus learn some top tips for studying in the UK on our website at bbclearningenglish.com. Now, back to novice student Mary, and it's time to let her hair down. I mean, relax and enjoy herself.
Hi Mary, thanks for joining Get Fit. Now this is the fun bit, party. Time to make some new friends and dump that Daniel. Here, have a drink.
Oh, I don't really...
Go on, it's your first university party. You've got to get drunk.
No, really. Oops.
Oh no!
They are my new shoes.
Oh, Mary.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm Mary. I'm doing business studies.
Really? Well, I'm Professor Knott. I'm your new lecturer.
Oh no.
إن أعجبك الفيديو لا تنسى الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة.